CNBC-TV18, embarking on a quarter-century of excellence.
Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast. Well, there has been a lot of central bank action in the last 2 days, and that's the impact we are seeing on global markets as well. But now we have a research team joining in to tell you what the trade setup in India is looking like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and the action from the F&O space as well. Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you and happy Friday. Ekta, let me come across to you. Will the party continue this Friday?
Well, yes, absolutely. You know, the market moves yesterday were in line with the global peers, posting a record close on the US Fed commentary. We had FII's net buying over 3,500 odd crores, DII's net buying over 550 odd crores. Central bank action continues today. So Bank of England, ECB both kept their rates unchanged after the Fed did. But for example, the ECB did not indicate any kind of expectations in terms of rate cuts. The US markets are supportive, so they've closed higher. The strong retail data in the month of November is giving hopes of a soft landing in the US. It was up 0.3% month on month. Europe ended higher after the ECB kept their rates unchanged. Asia mostly in the green. Brent crude is the only probably a little bit of a niggling worry. It's at around $76 per barrel, headed for a weekly gain after 2 odd months. GIFT Nifty, however, unperturbed and indicating a positive start, probably another record high for our markets in terms of an opening. Remember, yesterday 19 Nifty stocks hit fresh 52-week highs, multi-year highs, and experts say that 21,000 has now become an important support level for the Nifty. So yes, momentum is likely to continue, supported by global cues today.
Okay, all right. Take that point. Thank you for that, Ekta. Now over to Vivek. He has a long list of stocks for us. Morning, Vivek.
Well, good morning. You know, quite a few important news developments post-market as yesterday. First on our list is Hero Motor Corp. You know, the company has informed the exchanges that they are looking to buy an additional stake in Ather Energy for up to 140 crore. Post this particular deal, you know, the company's stake in Ather Energy will increase to 39.7% from the current 36.6%. Additionally, the company has gone ahead and appointed Vivek Anand as the CFO effective March 1st, 2024. The second stock on our radar is M&M Financial Services. Rajesh Vasudevan has resigned as the Chief Compliance Officer of the company with effect from Jan 13th, 2024. Additionally, very interesting foray by the company. The company has informed the exchanges that it is looking to foray into the areas of life, health and general insurance. However, remember that this particular foray of the company is subject to regulatory approvals. Couple of stocks, you know, interesting block deals as well as fundraising plans. Saturn Credit Card is the first stock on our radar. The company has launched the QIP to raise up to 250 crores. The floor price for this particular QIP is close to 242.8 rupees a share. 2 large block deals expected today. First stock on our radar, PVR Inox. Sources indicate that the Plenty Private Group as well as multiple private equity partners are looking to sell up to 2.33% stake in the company. Offer price, you know, at the lower end of the price band is 1,750 rupees a share, and the offer size is over 400 crores. The second stock on our radar, large block deal here as well, KFin Technology. General Atlantic is looking to sell as high as 10% stake in the company. The base size of the deal is 6.2%. The remainder is the upside option. Block deal size is close to 514 crore. And remember, General Atlantic held over 48% stake at the end of the September quarter.
Okay, all right. So those are some block deal alerts. Thank you so much, as always, Vivek, for getting us up to speed with that one. Finally, let me go across to Nigel. He's joining in with all the cues from the F&O space. Hey, Nigel.
Well, morning, Sonal. You know, yesterday we had a terrific Thursday. Let's see whether or not we get a fantastic Friday. And the indications coming in from the implied opening on the Nifty, they suggest so. But yesterday was as good a session as any. The Nifty, we started off in the green with a gain of around 180, 190 points odd, but we ended at the high point of the day. And it was a bit of a trend day because the intraday chart tells you that we didn't get any big dip during this session. And one positive was that both the pillars of the market performed. Whether you're looking at the Nifty banking names, well, they in fact moved higher. And the IT names as well did do well. And when both the pillars perform, obviously it spells good times for the markets. What did the FIs do? Well, after a while, they added more shorts than longs. So they added close to around 5,000 short contracts. The short positioning, those added around 43%. And at least that long position is not going into the bubble terrain. You know, you don't want that number to go to around 100,000 contracts odd. It went to around 50,000 contracts odd. But with some short addition, you know, that's why we're still holding around that 30 to 40,000 contracts on the long side, which is par for the course, I would say. In an uptrending market, you want to highlight the put writing. And that's precisely what happened yesterday. The 21,100 put, the 21,200 put, between them they added close to around 80 lakh shares. So aggressive writing is what we saw out there. And now it's a blue sky scenario. Anything can happen, right? So a bit of a punt some traders are taking out there, going ahead, buying the 21,800 call, buying the 22,000 call. If you make money, you'll make big money. Just putting in 5, 10, 20 rupees also. It seems that is a bit of a punt in terms of the call buying. But on the put side, since we're seeing writing, I'll give you the levels out there. The 21,050, that becomes a crucial support zone. And the 21,115, going by the options data, that's the crucial support zone that I'm looking at. Well, the Nifty has been doing well, but the reason that the Nifty has been doing even better in this month is because the Nifty Bank has come to the party. So if you just pull up that chart year to date of the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank, you'll see the Nifty Bank just in the last 1 month or so. Well, that one, in fact, has come to the party. And that's why with the Nifty Bank now wanting to catch up with what the Nifty has done, that's the additional kicker for the markets. In the month of December, in fact, you have the Nifty Bank that's been a relative outperformer. So trail your stop losses and continue to remain net long. This market appears it wants to test higher levels. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Friday is always fantastic. Markets are higher or not. But thank you so much, guys, for joining us and prepping us up for this trading day ahead. With that, we'll do one thing. We'll sip into a break. Up next, we'll get you all the cues from the commodities market. Stay tuned for that.
CNBC-TV18, embarking on a quarter century of excellence.